Hi, did you know the calamities of the past 2 months? Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, extreme weather. These are warnings for the whole of humanity, from elites to ordinary people in all countries. The warnings in the past 2 months to help humanity wake up not to continue to sin. Lying, greed for wealth and lust is serving the devil. But humanity is still increasing crime and war. So in the next 6 days the sun will do something that scares the whole world. CERN has found evidence of fourth, fifth dimension. This means that there are many higher universes coexisting around us. God is real, God is true. Yes is yes, no is no. God does not like flattery and weakness. God is watching everyone's actions. If God leaves, then this world will be destroyed by evil. If those in control would just tell the truth and let go of power, they'll see sights you've never seen before. I hope you change and stop sinning. Fight the evil within yourself. You join me against the abortion law, Roe v. Wade, to save the world from destruction when evil comes. You all know right and wrong. You also know abortion is killing children from the womb. Let's inspire strong and responsible life to everyone. We need to resist tyranny and rule over people. We are against unjust oppression. We need to fight those who hurt and hurt their people while defending pedophilia, abortion, sex trade, lewdness. Life is not for everyone. A gift only for the one who deserves it. Share it with everyone. Thank you. You should worship and glorify only one Creator. The Creator is Cosmic, who created you and all things. Cosmic has only one Creator. Ask your Creator to forgive you for the mistakes you have made against the will of the Creator. The Creator does not forsake anyone to return to the Creator. My prayers go to those who are being raped, persecuted, tortured by traffickers, those who are facing a cruel fate, those that no media outlet is talking about. I also pray for children who are being abused in the womb, who think their baby is an animal from the moment they are in the womb. She wants to destroy it.
Miss Bass, you didn't use the words that were confusing, so I'm not going to use.
Hi, my name is Vin. Abortion is the murder of a child in the womb. Condoms sold everywhere. We also have safe natural contraceptive days. We need to strongly nurture and protect the child while in the womb. You can laugh at me being a hypocrite. I accept this mockery, because I used to be a weak person. Sin, lying, abortion, adultery. I used to be afraid of responsibility, afraid of difficulties, afraid of many things. So I told my ex-girlfriend to have multiple abortions with pills. I once had a dream about my baby crying after I told my girlfriend I had an abortion. Now I know abortion is a very serious and unforgivable sin, including the mother and the abortion workers. I now understand that the child has been in pain from the moment the egg is fertilized, even though the child does not yet have the senses to express that pain. I have been warned by God that we humans are currently having too many abortions, lewdness, sex teaching, adultery, incest. So calamities such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, extreme weather. In the last 2 months that I have been informing everyone since August 26, 2022 is to warn humanity of change. In 4 days the sun will do something to scare the whole world. If humanity remains unchanged, then Jesus will bring fire to those who continue. Erotic dressing, abortion, lewdness, sex education, adultery, incest, rape. Teaching children about sex will lead the world to indulgence, abortion, irresponsible life, poverty. God's leave is this world will be destroyed by evil. We need to be strong and responsible for what we have done. Stop abortion, stop teaching children about sex, stop adultery and dress sexually. We need to resist tyranny and rule over people. We are against unjust oppression. We need to fight those who hurt their people while defending pedophilia, abortion, sex business, lewdness, lying, greed for wealth, and lust are serving the devil. Please join me, share for everyone to build a beautiful and happy world. Thank you. You should only worship and honor one Creator. The Creator is cosmic who created you and all things. Cosmic has only one Creator. The Creator is God. Ask your Creator to forgive you for the mistakes you have made against the will of the Creator. The Creator does not forsake anyone to return to the Creator. My prayers go to those who are being raped, persecuted, tortured by traffickers, who are facing a cruel fate, who have no media coverage. I also pray for the children who are being tortured in the womb, who think that their baby is an animal from the moment they are in the womb. She wants to destroy it.